What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the 2022 BRZ and there's something that's just been bothering me about this car. I don't got my fitment right and today we're going to try achieving the perfect fitment. Alex and Aaron here. We're going to install these, where are you? These billet LCAs. We're gonna space out the wheels a bit and drop the car. We're gonna see if we can achieve the perfect fitment according to me. I think these BWR LCAs are gonna look absolutely fantastic. I can't wait. Let's get into it. Welcome back.
What's up, man?
Nice shirt. Alex, where can we buy these shirts?
Lowpesgarage.com.
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 There you go. If you guys wanna purchase any of the Oni drop, the link will be right here and in the description. Website's finally up. Bunch of stuff's happening. I got another drop coming soon. Stay tuned for it. Go check out some of the stuff there and support the builds and support the brand and let's Oni Lowpes the world, I guess. If you guys been keeping up with the channel, you know we tried installing these, but the bolts, the OEM bolts did not fit. So I went out and we purchased some bolts. These should work. We shouldn't have any issues. I measured everything. All high quality bolts. Also, make sure when you're using any suspension part, you look at the quality of grade bolts that you're using. These are discontinued billet BWR LCAs. What's absolutely sick is we're actually gonna see the LCA pop right through here. And that's what's kind of cool about having this hole here. Also, they don't have a plug yet. If they did, I probably would have plugged it. We'll be tackling underneath the car and tackling the LCAs. Shouldn't be too hard. We will need an alignment afterwards, but we're gonna try doing everything to the best of our ability. Pretty easy. We're gonna tackle one bolt, 2, 3, and then 4 all the way in there, and then we're going to remove it and put the BWR and we're going to adjust the camber. I'm going to space out these wheels just a bit also. I'm going to put a 5mm spacer in the back and we're going to space them out just so we can get optimal fitment, and then we'll adjust the camber and we'll have to hit up 13 Motorsports most likely to get the camber adjusted afterwards. But the car overall is doing really good and it's looking really nice. I just think we can make it look a little better and I'm super hyped to do this. So one thing I may do today, I'm not too sure, depends how much time we have, is I may clean the wheels extremely good. Pretty much this is like a ceramic coating, thanks to Suma for sending it out. Either it's gonna happen today or a different day. I might do it today, clean them up and spray them and see how they are. I'll let you guys know how it is, but yeah, Suma Performance, thanks for sending it out. We may just get a duck bill from them too. We'll check it out. But check out the wheels. Looking fantastic as always. They're not in perfect condition. My goal for this year is just to rock them, and then over the winter we're probably going to get them redone, but I absolutely love these wheels. So make sure you support the hub once you take off the wheel and then start tackling all the bolts. There we go. Sheesh! Damn, bro. She looks good. She looks hella good. We definitely have to adjust afterwards, probably the actual camber and the poke with that right over there. But she looks so good. I think once it's dropped and we see it through this little exhaust hole right here, you're not gonna see a lot of it, but you'll see a little bit of it. It's gonna look kind of cool. God damn, they still need to be adjusted, but they are looking mighty fine. All right, so it's in. We definitely have adjusting to do. Let's put the wheels on. Well, we're gonna lower it a bit actually. Let's lower the suspension, then we'll put the wheels on, and then we're probably gonna have to camber it in just a tad. We're gonna put a 5mm spacer in the rear also. Let's get some optimal fitment. Look at this car though. Look at this car. Yo, who's gonna sponsor the build? Give this man some suspension, fam. Who's gonna sponsor the build? Give him some suspension. This thing's so clean. Sheesh. This thing is mad clean. Look at this. So clean. So we're gonna adjust the track one suspension. We're gonna lower about maybe another 1/2 inch in the front, and then we're going to maybe, possibly, do 1/4 in the back. But the back, I'm putting a 5mm spacer, and we're gonna definitely have to adjust the back. But right now, let's tackle the front. See if we just lower just a bit more, just so we tuck a little more tire. And I think the fitment's gonna look a lot better. All right, so we've adjusted the side. We've probably gone down, what would you say? Super windy out here. We went down about 5/8. Obviously you can't see right now. We're gonna tackle this side now, and I'm actually gonna clean the wheels, the inner barrels, because they look disgusting. Let's get them all cleaned while Alex adjusts the suspension. And then we're going to put the rear on, drop the car slowly, and I have a feeling we're gonna have to definitely adjust the rear. All right, so as you see, the barrels are absolutely dirty. We're gonna clean it up. I have some Sonax wheel cleaner. It's insanely windy, so I'm not gonna talk too much because it's not gonna be pleasant to the ears. But we got some tools, some cleaner, and we're gonna tackle this. Super easy stuff to use. You can use this on your car, on your wheels, on everything. What you're gonna do is wash and dry the subject. It can be wheels or car, and make sure it's dried really well. And then we're gonna apply this to the wheels, in our case, and then let it sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna dry it with a microfiber cloth, and then it's just gonna basically repel water and dirt. It's gonna be so much easier to clean those wheels. And I'm excited to use it. Big shout out to Sumo Performance once again. I'll link them down below. They have a lot of stuff for plenty of cars, including the 22 BRZ. Hopefully I'll grab a duckbill from them sometime soon, because I feel like this car definitely needs it. So let's finish this up, let's dry those wheels, and let's apply it. I don't think I've ever seen my wheels this clean, looking this shiny and this good. The product definitely works. It beads off so nicely. Highly recommend it. Link down below. Check it out if you want to purchase it yourself. Pretty inexpensive, and it's done an amazing job. Like, look how clean this wheel looks. Woo-hoo. All right, so the front is done. We've lowered it a bit. We have to still maybe adjust the rear. I'm putting a 5mm space in the rear to bring it out. We may have to add some negative camber to fit the wheels. Who knows? I don't know. All I know is my wheels look amazing with that nano protection or the nano seal on there. It looks so good. I've never seen my wheels so clean. Super excited. Let's get into this and let's see how the fitment's gonna look. And that little bit, just those little bits make the biggest difference in my opinion. What we're doing now is we are messing with the camber. The fitment already looks a lot beefier with the 5mm spacer and the arm. I think once we lower it, it should cave in and hopefully fit nicely. We definitely might have some more adjustments to do. I just want to get this drivable so I can just bring it over to 13 Motorsports and they can work their magic on it. So that is the goal today. We're not trying to get optimal fitment. That will happen, but I think the 5mm spacer definitely makes it look better. I definitely think this is doable. Check it out. Like, we just have a finger of space coming through. Fitment looks so much better. The 5mm actually did a really good job. The toe isn't perfect on it. It's not horrible, but it's not perfect. So we'll definitely have to get adjusted, but that's why we bring it to the professionals. But woo, she's looking nice. Check out the fitment from the back. Damn. And then the LCAs look so nice. What was that? Was that the car just settling in? Settling in. But LCA looks so nice. Definitely gonna show you guys some shots during the day, but ooh, look at her. That too. Look at that fitment. I like how the lip just pokes out. We're gonna tighten everything up underneath. We're gonna bring it outside even though we can't really see much. What I'm gonna do so my neighbors don't kill me is actually throw the silencer on the Tomei exhaust because it's so loud. But goddamn, the fitment looks sick. Ew. It looks so ugly.
No, it doesn't.
It looks so ugly, buddy. I feel like it's gonna blow up my motor. This is just for now. Don't roast me. This is just for now because it's late and my neighbors are gonna kill me because this thing is stupid. I'm doing this for you guys. Oh God.
That's not that bad, man.
What do you mean it's not? Look how ugly this shit is, dude.
Okay.
What a difference. Ready? Go. And hell, that's so much better. Jesus Christ.
Deeper tone. Yeah.
That's so much better. Let's go for a drive. I know it's dark. I don't know if you guys can really tell the fitment and everything. This thing sits so much better. Check that out. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This thing sits so much better. Now let's look at the rear.
Yeah.
Shit, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I wanted. We didn't even have to adjust the height of the rear, which is nice. But nice fitment. What I like is if you look underneath from far, got some polished LCAs. But goddamn, what do you guys think? You guys think the fitment looks better or worse? This is static life too, so this isn't too bad for being static. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, it made the car look so much better, eh? The best thing is, I know it's a little windy, the best thing is we didn't even rub. Like, we did a bit of a test drive. It's really dark, so I didn't really record it, but we didn't rub. I hit a few bumps, nothing too serious, but we definitely have to get the alignment done. But I am so happy with how this looks. Thanks, buddy. You're a champ as always.
No problem.
This thing looks absolutely sick. Woo! Like, check it out. Like, check out the fitment.
It looks equal now, eh?
Yeah.
Like it looks perfect now. Like
Yeah.
it matches the back now.
Yeah, before the front looked higher than the back. Now
Yeah,
it looks
now
like
it's good.
equals all around. Damn, this looks so much better. God damn. All right, guys, so there it is. We finished off with some night shots. I know the quality's not gonna be the greatest. It's pretty dark out here, but you guys have an idea of it. I'm so much happier with how the car looks. Just some LCAs and lowering it with the spacer in the rear. It looks so much better. We still need an alignment, but it's looking amazing. Super hyped and super happy. It's coming along slowly but surely. Any final words?
Nope.
Gold,
man.
A man of many words.
Man, I'm not a man of many words, man.
So once again, Alex,
Many words.
turn around. Where can we get these? Let's see.
Lowpes Garage.
Dot?
Com.
Yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Every like, every comment, every subscribe means a lot. I'm trying to hit 30K. That is the goal right now. 50 would be amazing, but 30 is the goal at the moment. We are at 23.9 at the moment. We're almost there. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Check out lowpesgarage.com and later. So if you spell yes, Y-E-S, what is E-Y-E-S? Yes. Yes, down the road. I think the down the road is what killed me, bro. Down the road.